Foundation Module 9 UHS Modular Integrated Undergraduate Curriculum Physiology Dr. Sheen CEO and Founder Sheikh Zayed Medical College Physiology Department. Medical Superfast Simplified Physiology Video Lecture Notes. Guyton and Hall 14 edition chapter number 50 lecture number 1 page 632 figure 50.12. Define emmetropia. Enlist the errors of refraction. Define emmetropia, normal vision. Fig 59.2. Is the term used to describe an eye that has no refractive error. It has perfect vision. The eye is considered to be normal or emmetropic. Light rays from distant objects are in sharp focus on the retina. Ciliary muscle is completely relaxed. Clear and sharp vision without the need for corrective lenses. This is considered the ideal refractive state. However, to focus objects at close range, the eye must contract its ciliary muscle and thereby provide proper degree of accommodation. Enlist the errors of refraction. Errors of refraction, also known as refractive errors, are vision problems that occur when the shape of the eyes prevents light from focusing directly on the retina. The main types of refractive errors are myopia, nearsightedness. Difficulty seeing distant objects clearly because light focuses in front of the retina. Hyperopia, farsightedness. Difficulty seeing close objects clearly because light focuses behind the retina. Astigmatism. Blurred vision at all distances due to an irregularly shaped cornea or lens that causes light to focus on multiple points on or in front of the retina. Presbyopia, loss of accommodation by the lens. Age-related difficulty in seeing close objects due to the hardening of the lens, leading to reduced focusing ability. As a person grows older, the lens grows larger and thicker and becomes less elastic. Progressive denaturation of the lens proteins. Lens ability to change shape is decreased with age. Eyes can no longer accommodate for both near and far vision. Treatment: older person must wear bifocal glasses, with the upper segment focused for far seeing and the lower segment focused for near seeing, e.g., reading.